What's going on, Birmingham? It's Brian Tripp. I am here in Vestavia, and I'm looking at an incredible house flip right now that's behind me that we're going to get to in just 1 second. Done by none only than Mr. Bruce Glenn. How's it going, Bruce?
Good, sir.
Bruce is going to come to our meeting on March the 12th and talk to us about house flipping. Bruce, you want to give people just a quick background on who you are? How'd you get started? Give us the 30-second version of how you got started in house flipping.
Sure, sounds good. Yeah, my name's Bruce Glenn. I've been a house flipper for over 30 years. Started back in Denver, Colorado in the mid-1980s. And actually, I've been an appraiser for 29 years. So that has really helped with the flipping business. And on Thursday, I'm going to show you some flips and the numbers, the actual numbers that we run. You know, I know everybody sees these things like the average is $60,000. Well, my average flip is not $60,000. So I'm going to get into the numbers, going to talk about areas that I like to flip in, and then we're going to have a class on Saturday and kind of really go into a lot more in depth, go in more in depth in the numbers, go more in depth in the renovations. So really, if you can make both of them, it'd be advantageous, I really think.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So guys, March the 12th, that's Thursday night. It's coming up very, very soon. Make sure you mark that on your calendars. Bruce is going to be talking to us about house flipping right here in Birmingham. This isn't some guy that we're flying in from out of state that's going to talk to us about house flipping somewhere, theory, it might work in Birmingham. No, this is someone who's doing the business right here in town, and he's going to give you like a good overview, probably on Thursday, and then 2 days later on March the 14th, he's going to be teaching a class. Probably going to go about 4 or 5 hours. Really dig into the details, kind of fill in some of the holes, some of the gaps that he didn't cover on the Thursday kind of overview. So it would be, like Bruce said, be advantageous to go to both. If they had to pick one, probably go to Saturday.
Saturday, yeah, going to get a lot more on Saturday.
If you only can pick one, go to the Saturday. It is $99 if you're not a member, if you're not a VIP member. If you are a VIP member, then it's free. But we'll give you all the details. We'll put the links in the description here and in the comments so you guys know how to sign up. Sound good?
That'll work.
Awesome. Hey guys, real quick before we go, I want to give you guys a quick tour of this house that Bruce just got done with here in Vestavia. Beautiful house. And let's go take a look. Will you show us around a little bit?
Good. Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, Bruce, you ready to give us a quick little tour?
Ready. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. We want to give us a tour and give us some details. First, I want to know, how did you get this deal?
All right, this one came from a realtor friend. Actually, it was an estate, and she knew about it, and it was in rough shape, and they were having difficulty. It was on the market for a long time. They couldn't sell it. She came to me and put the deal together, and then she listed the property after we got it. So, yeah, it was rough. I mean, this place, it needed everything. There was all kinds of 1970s columns in here and mirrors and everything else. And then back here, I'm trying to turn some lights on. Well, maybe. Got one more. Anyhow. Den and kitchen area, there was some walls up in here that was really closed off. Just kind of put a beam in, LVL, open the whole thing up. So, and everything's new. Kitchen, all granite, everything.
Let's go take a look at the kitchen.
Yeah, it turned out really. Turn some lights on.
You put the island in and everything, and took out, there was a wall right here, I'm assuming?
Exactly. This whole thing was a wall. Yeah, with cabinets, banks cabinets. There we go. A little bit. Yeah, and yeah, just put the island in. That's an oversized island, actually. It turned out really nice. Nice granite, new cabinets, with all the little touches. I mean, we like, the soft closed doors, and then you got, especially in an area like here, you got the pantry with all the features. Yeah, it turns out really nice. Really nice.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, what else?
All right. Got a sunroom over here. Took it, re-floored it, drywalled it, was falling in. Turned out pretty nice.
Beautiful.
And then all the hardwoods were refinished. And actually, there were about 3 different hardwoods in here. We had to take some out, put new in, and just, refinish them all to make them look like they were here originally. Got a hall bath that redid everything in there. New tile, new granite. The whole works.
Okay.
Then we've got the master. This turned out pretty nice. We actually had to change closets around, added a closet, took a closet from one bedroom, put it over here, and then we did added a closet in there, made the thing. Then we came in, put barn doors up. I like barn doors. They're really practical. They look good, but they're practical. Don't have the swinging door out. And then actually, this was a short bathroom. It had a big closet over here. Took the closet out so we could make a bigger shower. Did the whole thing. I don't know if you can see in here. So, yeah, it was actually, we added about 4 or 5 foot down there and added a shower.
Awesome.
Yeah, it turned out really nice, really nice. Yeah.
And so this is a 3-bed, 2-bath?
Actually, it's 3-2 up, and the basement's totally finished, and so it's actually 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a huge den downstairs too.
Let's take a look at
downstairs.
downstairs.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So Bruce, while we're going downstairs, we want to know the numbers. How much you buy it for? Give us a rough. How much you put into it, and you just put it under contract to sell.
Yeah. All right, we bought it for $250. We've got probably 100, 105 in it, somewhere in there. Put it on the market for $469.9. It's sold in 8 hours, full price. So yeah, so it's this is a good one. Yeah,
and there's closing costs, there's
yeah,
commissions,
exactly.
There's holding costs, there's all these other costs that people are kind of doing the math in their head.
Yeah, I know. Exactly.
So is this one of the things you're going to be talking about when it comes to the numbers?
Exactly. I'll break it down exactly so you have all your costs. So you know what we're talking about.
Yeah. So people do the math. It's like, they bought it for this, repaired it for this, so that means you made that much profit. But it's probably
there's more money involved in that.
Awesome.
All that, this huge den, and there was a partial wall here that we took out and opened it up some. But there's a lot of space. There's over 1,500 square foot in the basement finished. Wow. So somebody wants, you've got laundry room, big laundry room. You've got, I'll let you take a look in there. Bathroom redid. There. Got another bedroom down here. Okay. And then, let me take you down here real quick. Get all the lights straight. This is another entry out to the back.
Okay.
Got a garage in here. Then got the 4th bathroom in there. So,
oh wow! So you got that's a full bath too.
Yeah,
so you got 2 full
4
baths down here.
Yeah, 2 full baths down here. Yeah,
wow.
2 upstairs. So yeah, total of 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. So it's a lot of house.
Yeah,
a lot of house. Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Other things you're going to be talking about specifically, maybe at the Saturday workshop.
Yeah.
Obviously, we're going to go through the numbers. What are some other things that maybe we need to know about as far as house flipping goes?
Yeah, I'm going to talk a little bit about putting a team together because a lot of it's for some new people. If you haven't ever done it before, putting a team together, what you need to look for in team members. I want to talk about that. How to look for, what neighborhoods to look for, what I look for when I'm going out and looking at a house, kind of evaluating it. We're going to go in through all that. Actually doing cost renovation, so I can lay it out and show you, hey, does this work or not work? Things that I look for, things that I definitely stay away from. We're going to go into all that. So yeah, I've got a lot of stuff to cover.
Guys, you're definitely going to want to come out on March the 12th and the 14th. The 14th is going to be the bigger day, that Saturday, that workshop where Bruce is going to go into all the numbers, give you all the secrets, maybe some of the secrets. So you definitely want to check that out. Make sure you check out in the comments or in the description here where exactly to go, when it is, the times, the locations, things like that. And we are going to see you guys on March the 12th and on March the 14th. See you soon.